Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're very much welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, mwah, thank you so much for clicking this link again. You're very much welcome back. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button right now down below. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a realistic week in my life. Today is Monday. I actually don't go to school on Mondays, but I make sure to leave my Mondays for the gym. I actually take the bus. I take different buses to get to my gym. I take a few different buses to get to my gym, and um, the next available bus leaves um, in like 10 minutes, which means I need to get moving. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I am currently back home. I had a really good workout. Actually, it was pool day, so it was actually pretty good. And then the main reason why I actually stopped at the store was to see if I could afford to get blinds for my window in my room, and I did. It was like actually pretty affordable, but I realized that I didn't need the measurements, so I couldn't get it. Instead, I ended up getting something else. I needed a new cleanser, and I needed a double-sided tape for my mirror because it's just hanging somewhere and I need it off the floor, so I need to put it on the wall. And I had to get a laundry basket because I really needed one. I keep putting my laundry anywhere, and that needs to stop. So yeah, so now that that is done, what I have to do now is have a really good shower and come to sit down with my assignments, because I'm a little behind on my assignments for the week, and I want to try to get through half of them before midweek so I can enjoy my weekend. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. Hi guys, good morning. It is Tuesday. I am dressed and ready for school. I actually do not go to school this early, but I actually have a job interview for 1 p.m. and it takes me about 2.5 3 hours to get to school. So I just decided to get to school as early as I can. It is currently 8:57. My scheduled bus is for 9:33, and I'm actually ready, but I'm just going to pack my lunch for school, and yeah, we'll be on our way.
Taking you in this moment, close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me, you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up tonight, catch you.
Okay, so it is currently 12:40. I just left my building, like that is my building. College of Business Graduate Studies. So anyway, I just left my building and I'm actually going to the place where I would have my interview. So I remember in my last video I actually mentioned that I had an interview. I did, but after several interviews, I think like 3 or 4 interviews, I didn't get a feedback from them. I was supposed to get a feedback from them sometime this week, but I actually didn't get one, and I was hurt because I really wanted to work in that place. But this is my actual second option, which is the library. Yeah, I really wanted to also work at the library because like I can get my schoolwork done while working. Do you get? So even if I have to work every day of the week, I can still get my schoolwork done. The other place, the first place, was like a cafe at the student center in school. So yeah, I didn't get a feedback. I didn't get anything. This time, no news was not good news. This is like one of the harsh realities of like being an international student. Probably I should make another video entirely. It's not as easy getting a job. Oh, this sun is sunny. But anyway, it's not as easy getting a job because they to get a social security, they actually ask that you have a job, and to get a job they'll tell you they need you to have your social security. So it's like a back and forth process really, and it's kind of hard. But anyway, I'm going for my interview now. Wish me luck. Yes. Okay, yes, for you to know how much I really wanted a job, my interview was actually for 2 o'clock and I got there by 1. Oh! Did somebody say unemployed? But anyway, I had to wait in the library till 2. I just finished the interview. It was pretty good. Like at least it went like really well. Like, and they were really nice. All women, 3 women. And it was like 20-30 minutes kind of interview. And now I'm heading to the student center to get a drink, most likely to get coffee. So yeah. So you guys, it literally has not been easy having to pull your phone and camera like right in front of people. But one thing that I've actually noticed since I came to the US is people would look at you, but literally for 1 second, and then you're out of their minds. Like they just like glance at you, like, oh yeah, she's doing her own thing, and then that's pretty much it. You just have their attention for like just that 1 second. Except from this guy right now that's literally staring at me. It's funny, but like people only like literally just have your time. If they see you pull out a camera, pull out a tripod to really make a video of any kind, they probably just have your time for just that second, and then everybody's back to their business. So I think I am getting a little bit comfortable with having to like make videos outside and do my stuff. But sometimes people stare, like they won't even like take their eyes off you. They would literally be staring at you. I want to believe it's just because they're wondering, what are you doing? It's not entirely about, oh yeah, maybe you're looking stupid or whatever, but they probably are just wondering like, what are you doing? And then some people will be nice enough to ask, so yeah, is it for your YouTube, blah blah blah, and they'll probably ask to subscribe. So yeah. Upon a vampire, in this very moment I'm a king. In this very moment I see your side and sleep. In this very moment I will retire with the crown. I will retire with the crown. Yes. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes. After the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We. Hi guys. Good morning. It's a new morning. I had a really long day at school yesterday. I went for my classes and it was like a class I really need to concentrate, so I couldn't really make a video. And then I go home late, like extra late, because the transport system was like a little messed up yesterday. But today I have to go to school, but I am so tired and I didn't wake up on time. I woke up like around 8. I think it's currently 8:07 now. I woke up around 8, which has me thinking, do I have enough time to go to the gym and then come back home and then go to school? So I'm about to make a different decision now. I don't know if it will work in my favor, but I won't know until I try, because if it does work, it's going to be really good for me, so I won't have to miss gym days when I have to go to school. So I was thinking I would get my things together, literally pack everything I need for school, go to the gym, then get ready for school at the gym. So instead of coming back home, I just had to go straight to school. Hi guys, so it is currently 4:18. I got to school a while ago. The method of actually going to the gym and then getting ready at the gym, then coming home was like pretty good, and I think that will actually be what I'll be doing now, instead of going to the gym, then going back home, then getting ready, then coming back to school. So yeah, I got to school earlier, and I feel good because I went to the gym and it was glutes day and it was painful as hell, but we move. Hi guys, good morning. It is a new day. Today is Thursday. It is currently, I think, about 9:38. I woke up a while ago, like around 6:30. Yeah, thinking I was going to be able to go to the gym, but it was raining and I was like, okay, yeah, I'm going to do something else. So I literally spent my morning editing a YouTube video. I guess the video that will come out before this one is a get to know me video. I hope you have watched it. If you have not yet watched it, be sure to watch it after this video. So I had to finish editing that video and get my breakfast. So since I can't go to the gym today, I'm going to have to work on my assignment. Mind you, I am actually behind on my assignment, and I have been going to the gym, spending the better part of my morning in the gym instead of doing my assignment. So I probably would not be able to go to the gym today, obviously, and tomorrow, just to finish up my assignment, and then we'll see how Saturday goes. I actually planned on using my weekend to like put my room together, because when I say it is a mess, it is a mess. So we'll see how that goes. There might be a change of plans, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. For now, I'm going to work on my assignments and then get ready to go to school. I'm going to work on my assignments for an hour or two and then get ready to go to school. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, so I am currently in school for my last class of the week and the last day of this vlog. Today's class, I actually usually enjoy it like really well, except from the part where we are usually bombarded with like assignments. But the lecture is like pretty fun. The class is like actually very interactive, and it's actually one of the days I really look forward to, like during school week. But it is currently about 4 o'clock, and the first thing I need to do before my class is to go to the DIT center, like help desk, and trying to see if I can get an iPad. So basically, we have to register for it. I registered for it last semester, but I couldn't get it at that point because I had a hold on my student account. I had to take some medical checkups and all that, so I had not done it. But now the hold is off, so I'm going to see if I can still get it now, or I have to wait till there's another registration. Okay, so I went to the help desk center. They said that even though I registered to get an iPad, I'm not eligible to get one because I had a hold on my account at that time. So the next time will probably to get one at the end of the semester or beginning of fall semester. So that's sad because I really wanted one, but I guess I'll have to wait. But anyway, I'm about to have my lunch. I am having rice and what are these called? Avocados and tomatoes. So yeah.
Market disruptors now are 3D printing. The best one I have for market disruptor is YouTube, like basic services, like wearable devices. Why do you have an Apple Watch? I have bad news. Is it to tell time? No. I would say it does services that my phone does.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. Bye.